Sarina, and today I'm doing another slime kit slime. I have 18 colors and this is one of them. They're very beautiful, all of them. They have cloud slimes, but I rather do a clear slime because they're very beautiful. And then for the other channel, I did the green one, and then if you guys didn't see that channel, you could just look here. I have this green, and then, I made my yellow, the first yellow, myself, and then there's a galaxy ball, which is a slime I might open on one channel. If you subscribe, I will open this one on the last channel I make, or any channel for now. And then today, I'm gonna make a red slime, a red clear slime, and then I have these supplies I could put in, these foam balls, and then these sparkly paper, and then this fish beads, which I love, and then the sparkles, the eyeballs. The eyeballs I won't really use, but some of them might, the ones that might match, and then I will just put them on the thing, but I might put very, very little because I don't really like the eyeballs. And then there's these heart-shaped sparkles, which I might put, I only put a little, and then these heart-shaped pieces, and then these fruit-shaped pieces. These are my favorite. And then there's utensils I could use at last. I might play with it. And then the glowing powder, which I might put in some. Some I might not put in because they're not very a match for it. So I will not put it in those. And then these are kind of like little toys, because these are like what you put in, and then they're like decorations, kind of like these. And then I'm gonna first put in these because they're supposed to go first inside, and then I don't know which one to put, but there's a unicorn, a rainbow, a cupcake, a heart, and there's a clay lollipop, which this one I love the most. This one's so cute and makes me look hungry. Makes me hungry. And this ice cream, cute little ice cream, and this blue unicorn. Which one should I pick that matches the most? Maybe I'll pick this cupcake because it has the most matching with red. So I'm gonna put the cupcake inside and then put all of these back. And then the next one I'm gonna do might be fish beads. Yeah, fish beads. Actually, I only have one bag of fish beads, but this is gonna be pretty good, even though I add a little. So this is my cupcake slime so far, red slime. And then I'm gonna put some of this kind of like a sparkling paper, and then I might try to put pink in because it matches this most For some reason, I think that yellow is the most beautiful, but my favorite color is actually pink. Okay. And then next I'm gonna put foam balls. Nothing really matches red, but I might put some rainbow. I don't know if it will look good in a red slime. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, there's extra large, extra big foam balls. I saw these on the extra big part section of the slime kit, and then I bought this. Ooh, that looks great. And then next I'm gonna add some of this red sparkling heart, which kind of looks like pink, but for somehow it's red. Yeah, red. It's so hard to take out. Oh, but that was pretty hard. Okay, I can't add too much of this because I only have a little jar. And then next I'm gonna add some of the fruit or the heart. I don't know which one matches the most. No, I think I'm gonna put fruit, my favorite one of these, which I haven't opened. Why can't I open it? Let me open you! Open up! Okay, finally. Finally got it opened. Wow, these look pretty good. Wow. I'm only gonna put a little bit because I don't have much of these. I have put a lot of supplies in this. Wow. No, I'm not gonna put that. And now the last part of the thing. Red sparkle, which is gonna be so beautiful after I put this inside. Wow, this is hard to open, but beautiful stuff. Okay, so now I finished, and then I had made a big mess, which I'm gonna clean up after, but it looks beautiful actually. In the light, it's very sparkling, very much. And look at this. So far I did a lot, like so much. And then I'm gonna be done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is my final slime. Look, it's so beautiful. It's red and sparkly. I love it. It's kind of stretchy, but, well, not that stretchy. Kind of. And then this is my final slime kit. Well, the red one. And I have 2 of these. Well, these are better, but I messed up on the red slime, so it's not that good. And subscribe for me if you like it. And today, we're gonna do the utensils. Might be pretty good. Ouch. Let's try to smash this up. And then cut it. The utensils work pretty well, actually. Wow. 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 This is pretty good. Well, this is like fire. Okay. And then next, I'm gonna cut this much off. Better. And then I'm gonna cut little teeny bits, which some of my things will break. Well, actually, I'm just gonna smush this up into a little bit and then put it there. Make this into a ball, put it there, put that there. It's like a baking center here. I'm gonna try to use this, but I don't know how. Eek. Ow, I just broke one of my things. Is this how this works? Wow. Pretty useful. Just joking. Okay, so this is all. I love playing with slime, but all slimes have what they need to be done. Well, like mine, my slime is too decorated in such a small bit of slime, so it's kind of ruined. And I need a teacher for slimes. Okay, bye-bye.